Hello friends, today we are going to unbox India's number one best-selling screen protector company, Cellbell. So it's a case for iPhone 8, and so we are going to unbox it. They have already sold 1 million units already. So it's a made in India product as well. So let's get started. They have packaged it quite well. It's a new kind of thing. It's just around 200 to 250 rupees. So let's tear it down. They have sealed it quite well. So here it is. So this is the installation kit, I suppose, and this is the screen protector. So they have a thank you note as well. Here you can see it's a thank you note. So I'm taking it aside. So this is the screen protector. As you can see, this is the original screen protector, and this is the installation kit. So these are the steps we need to follow for installation. So here I have my iPhone 8 here. It's a gold version, you can see. So I need to apply it. So before that I need to put the alcohol swab. So here it goes. This. So I need to apply it. Applied it, alcohol swab, as they have mentioned. Then what I need to do, I need to clean it with this. So these are some of the stickers. So after this, I can remove some of the dust which are already there. So now I will apply it. So that's a tedious job, but let's hope for the best. So I think it's properly done. So as you can see, it's properly done and it's looking great. Okay, that's all. Thank you.